The Summit truck comes with complete instructions to configure as internal, external, revolving, or stationary, as well as a parts bag of adapters to accommodate various ornament attachments. The Summit truck assembly standard configuration when shipped is ready for installation as either a rope or cable halyard internal revolving truck assembly. The truck has a 1 1/4 inch NPT spindle to mount into any 1 1/4 inch NPT threaded flagpole top. In addition, the Summit truck is shipped with a 1/2 inch threading, 13 NC ornament adapter installed. Included in the parts bag is 5/8 inch, 11 NC ornament adapter as well as a plug in the event no ornament will be installed. In event an ornament utilizing a 5/8 inch, 11 NC threading is required, simply remove the 1/2 inch, 13 NC adapter and replace with the 5/8 inch, 11 NC adapter. Tighten the adapter to the truck cap. If there is no ornament being installed, simply remove the 1/2 inch, 13 NC adapter and replace with the 1/2 inch NPT truck cap plug. Tighten the adapter to the truck cap. As stated previously, the Summit truck ships standard as a 360-degree revolving truck. If the customer desires the truck to be stationary, position the truck base spindle so the vertical stop pin is positioned between the two horizontal stop pin receiver holes. Take one of the stop pins provided in the parts bag and insert the round end into one of the receiver holes. Tap pin with hammer until pin is secure. Repeat this process with the remaining stop pin in the adjacent receiver hole. In the event you need to remove the horizontal stop pins, use a pair of pliers to firmly twist and pull to remove. To convert the Summit to an external halyard truck, begin with removing the cable tie holding the pre-installed halyard in place. Unscrew each of the truck cap screws from the truck base approximately 1 inch. To avoid damage to internal captive nuts, do not loosen the screws beyond 1 inch. Pull the truck cap apart from the truck base. Remove the pre-installed halyard and locate the external press-fit truck cap plug. With screwdriver or other blunt end tool, tap out the press-fit truck cap plug. Locate the internal pulley screw on truck cap. Remove truck cap pulley assembly screw, then pulley assembly from inside of truck cap. Relocate the external press-fit truck cap plug to the internal pulley location and tap into place with a hammer. Orient the pulley assembly to the outer edge of the truck cap. Reinstall the pulley assembly screw and securely tighten. Reinstall halyard section provided to the pulley assembly. Align truck base with truck cap using the alignment markers. Insert halyard into one bushing, then other side of pulley halyard to remaining bushing. Assemble truck base to truck cap and slide together firmly. Tighten truck cap screws securely. Do not use impact drill.